Whoa, did you feel that? Something sneaky is coming for you right now. Achoo! It's here. The sneaky sneeze is on the loose. 4 friends need you. Only you can save them. Are you ready, hero? Let's go!
I finished mine.
Oh, no. Wow. Do you see that? Look at Liam's nose. It's twitching.
A sneeze is coming, and his hands are full of paint.
A big one, and his hands are full of paint. Uh-oh. This is a code red sneaky sneeze situation. Okay, hero. Time to use your sneeze shield power. Should Liam sneeze right into his painty hands? Or B, sneeze into his elbow like a vampire cape? Which one is the sneeze shield move? A or B? Choose now. 3, 2, 1. Achoo! Whoopsie! Paint sneeze explosion. The whole classroom is purple now. That was a silly slip-up. Achoo! Yes! You knew it! Elbow vampire move! Liam saved the classroom. High five!
Lunchtime is the best time. Colorful and yummy. Happy food for everyone, right inside your tummy.
Wait. Do you feel that? Emma's nose is going wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. She's got a sneeze and a slice of pizza in her hand. Uh-oh. This is a DEFCON sneeze moment. Hero, activate your sneeze shield power. Should Emma sneeze all over her pizza hands? Or B, put the pizza down and sneeze into her elbow, vampire style? A or B, hero, what's the right sneeze shield? Choose now! Achoo! The principal has a pizza hat now. That is not a sneeze shield move. Silly slip-up alert. Achoo! Boom! Vampire elbow power. You got it right. Emma's lunch is safe. Her friends are happy. Give yourself a fist bump. Oh no. Ben is about to grab the monkey bars, and his nose is going off. Both hands are out. A sneeze is incoming. This is the sneakiest sneaky sneeze yet. Hero, we need your sneeze shield power right now. Should Ben A, sneeze into both hands and then grab the bars? Or B, step back and sneeze into his elbow like a vampire champion? A or B? What do you choose? Choose now. 2. Achoo!
He turned into a sneeze rocket! And now there's a Ben-shaped hole in the sandbox! Yikes!
Achoo! Yes! Sneeze shield activated. Elbow saves the day. Ben is a monkey bar champion, and you helped him. Stomp your feet if you got it right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No, not now. Not the birthday cake. Maya's nose is twitching. The candles are lit. Everyone's watching. The cake is right there. This is the ultimate sneaky sneeze emergency.
And there you have
Hero,
it, the most
this
epic
is the
choice
big
of the
one.
day. Will
Use
you get the
all your
blazing power
sneeze
of
shield
A
power.
or the electric
Should Maya
energy of B?
sneeze forward all over the birthday cake? Or B, spin away from the cake and sneeze into her elbow vampire mode? Choose now. 2, 1. Achoo! The dog got the cake. Grandma lost her wig. Achoo! She did it! You did it! The cake is saved! Sneeze shield power ultimate level unlocked! Jump up and celebrate, you just saved a birthday party.